wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids!
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again.
Today we're gonna prep for our Father's Day cards because Father's Day is coming up. And we need to make our cards. You should too.
Well, I don't have to make a card because I already bought one.
Well, I want to make one. You can buy one or make one.
What are you going to make?
I think I saw a craft where you make one out of construction paper and it looks like a trophy, and I want mine to say, "Best Dad."
And what supplies will we need for that?
We'll need construction paper, glue, markers, and a pencil to trace things out first, if you're not confident in your cutting abilities freehand.
Or if you don't have the time, you can always ask your mom to buy a pre-made card and you draw something into the card.
But, making your own is more fun.
Well, maybe. I'm gonna put stickers in there and write something nice, and maybe I can use some of your construction paper too and put something in.
Yeah, okay.
Should we show the kids what we're gonna do?
Yeah, let's show them.
So Olivia, this is going to be my Father's Day card that Mom bought for me, but I'm going to use construction paper, blue and the color of pink for the card. For that I will need some scissors and a pencil to help me draw, and for the very end I'm going to use some stickers to put in there as well. What are your items?
Your items look great. I'm going to use yellow construction paper for the trophy, and then these ones to cut out and glue on. Then I'm going to use the glue, some markers, a pencil with an eraser on top, and some stickers.
Okay, shall we get started?
Let's. First, I fold my paper in half because I'm making a card, so I want it to open.
And I'm going to outline my hand.
And then, I'll need to borrow your scissors. Is that okay?
Of course it is.
And then I'm going to draw out a trophy shape like that. Then I'm going to cut out a trophy shape.
And I'm also going to trace a heart. For this I don't have a shape, so I will do it just by hand.
And then I'm going to use this piece that I cut out that opens to make the handles.
Can I use the scissors?
Yes. Here you go, Noah.
So I'm cutting out my traced hand.
I'm going to draw the number 1 on this red paper and then cut it out and then draw a circle. And then I'm going to put the number one in it with purple. And then I'm gonna write Best Dad on this piece of paper.
You go so quickly. I haven't even finished cutting out my Trey's hand.
But I love crafts, so I got lots of practice.
I know, you're so much better than I am. That's why I bought a Father's Day card.
I'm gonna go get other scissors.
Now I'm all alone, working on my Father's Day. Maybe I can catch up to Olivia.
I got the grown-up scissors, but be careful if you have grown-up scissors.
What did you do with yours?
I can't find mine, but Mommy trusts me with these because I do crafts all the time.
There, I'm done. This is my traced and cut out hand. I'm going to stick that into a Father's Day card.
That looks great, Noah.
So I don't need the blue paper anymore, but I'm still going to cut out the heart that I drew as well.
I need to cut out the number 1. And then I need to glue all these things.
So I also cut out my pink heart, which I'm going to stick onto the hand.
And I'm going to glue the handles on. And on the top, one on this side. Then the other side. Where is the other piece? I lost the other piece. Oh, here it is.
I'm sticking my hand, not my real hand, but my cutout hand, into the card.
Can I have the glue again?
One moment, and there you go.
Thank you. And then you stick it on the other side. See, it's starting to look like a trophy already.
And now I'm going to write something. I'm going to use the black marker for that.
Now I glue on the part that says, Best Dad. And the part where it says the number 1, and then there you go. Best Dad trophy.
Wow, that's such a nice card.
Thank you. Can I have the black?
Of course.
Actually, I think you can have it. I want the red.
So I wrote into my card, Best Dad Ever, Love, Noah. And this is what I'm going to give my dad for Father's Day.
And I'm just quickly going to write Happy Father's TTHER
I even got an envelope. I'm going to put it into the envelope.
Day. And then I'm going to put a heart at the bottom, and then I'm going to put Love Olivia. Love Olivia.
And on the envelope, I'm gonna write down Dad. For Dad.
Can you pass me the glue cap?
Of course.
Thank you.
I'm done.
Me too.
Are you ready to show yours off to the kids?
I am.
How about you show yours first?
Okay, this is what I got. It's a Father's Day card on a trophy. It has the number 1 and the best dad, and then on the inside it has Happy Father's Day, and then I put Love Olivia with a heart.
So that's my Father's Day card, and I drew something inside with my hand.
Yeah, you can cut out your hand, and then you signed it Noah.
Exactly. I think I'm ready to present it to our dad, aren't you?
I am. I think he's going to love both of ours.
And it would be nice to see your cards too, so feel free to send us pictures of yours.
Yes. If you make the same trophy that I made, I definitely want to see it too.
That would be great. Well, kids, I think that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.